What the hell is a Zeekr? That is a good question. It's a new Geely brand, meaning it joins things like Polestar, Volvo and Lotus and more under the Chinese automotive giant's ever-growing umbrella. And it's coming to Australia, and this, the X, will be the first to arrive in Q4 this year. So what is it? It is an all-electric small SUV that the brand hopes will steal sales from BMW, Mercedes and Audi, but also the Tesla Model 3. It's available in single motor or dual motor guises, and the latter should prove pretty sporty, given it dispatches 100 kilometers an hour in 3.8 seconds. That was like supercar fast not that long ago. Now you can do it in your all-electric small SUV. Jump inside, I'll show you more. So, the X is built in China, but it is designed in Sweden. And that's fairly obvious in this premium feeling, but pretty minimalist cabin. But there are some cool party tricks here as well. You can actually spec a little refrigerator that sits between the front seats to keep your drinks nice and cold. But you can also remove the entire fridge and take it with you, so your perfectly chilled beverages go wherever you go. Now, batteries, this one is fitted with a 66 kilowatt hour battery, which should deliver a driving range in excess of 400 kilometers. The only thing we don't know yet is the price, but expected to start at around 60,000 Australian when it touches down at the end of the year.